Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel and tech tips. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Globe's eSIM service. Here at Rome Tips, we're all about finding the best connectivity solutions, and today, we're diving into Globe's eSIM. This is a particularly handy option for those who constantly juggle between local and international networks. Globe, a major telecom player in the Philippines, provides a robust eSIM solution perfect for locals, expats, and travelers seeking a smooth mobile experience without the hassle of swapping physical SIM cards. Setting up Globe's eSIM was refreshingly straightforward. I selected a plan that aligned with my needs and received a QR code. Scanning the QR code directly from my phone activated the eSIM in mere minutes, completely bypassing any need to visit a physical store. The entire process was incredibly user-friendly, even for those less comfortable with technology. Globe offers a range of plans catering to diverse usage patterns, from local data bundles to international roaming packages, providing flexibility for both light and heavy data users. Throughout my experience with Globe's eSIM, the network performance impressed me. For LTE speeds were consistently fast in urban environments, making activities like video streaming, web browsing, and social media engagement seamless. Call quality remained clear, and I rarely experienced dropped calls, a crucial factor for anyone relying on their phone for work or staying connected with loved ones. Moreover, the international roaming functionality worked flawlessly thanks to Globe's extensive network partnerships. This ensured uninterrupted connectivity throughout my travels across multiple countries. A standout feature is the Globe One app, which simplifies eSIM management. The app provides comprehensive control over data usage, billing, and package renewals. It's a highly effective way to monitor your account without needing to contact customer support. Furthermore, Globe offers convenient top-ups and data add-ons directly within the app, a feature I found incredibly useful during my trips. In conclusion, Globe's eSIM service is a great fit for digital nomads, frequent travelers, or anyone seeking a hassle-free mobile solution with dependable performance. If this sounds like you, explore the links in the description to discover their plans and find the perfect fit for your needs. Thanks for watching.